Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel TechUp. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide chat on Telegram. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you're going to see options like contacts, chats, and settings. Stay on chats, then look for the chat that you want to hide. Let's say I want to hide the group message on the top of my screen. Just go ahead and swipe left on it. There you'll see three options: mute, delete, and archive. Tap on archive, then you can see my chat has been hidden. And guys, that's it. That's how you hide chat on Telegram. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.